We ain't got both. This is TashaXi, so grab your pen and pad and let's start digging, turtles. So this is natural pine sol. So what we have here, just gonna start off right off the back. We have some lemon essential oil, pine essential oil, Castile soap, or you can use Dawn as an alternative, and distilled water. You can either use it in the spray bottle or you can just put it in any container. All right, so I have this container right here. It's the old Mott's. It's clean. So we take 20 drops of pine needle essential oils, 20 drops of lemon essential oils, a tablespoon of Castile soap. You can use plain kind. I'm using the peppermint kind. Doesn't really matter as long as it's soap. Or you can use your Dawn. And then fill up to the line for distilled water. And you're just going to put your lid on. You're going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake it. Shake, that's it. And just put maybe like a half, not a half, maybe 1/4 cup to a half cup in your hot water. And there you go. You can mop your floors with it. All right. Y'all know how to use a mop. Just take your mop in there, soak it, squeeze it out. And go to work. And it's going to disinfect your floors just as good as the regular pine sol with all the chemicals in it. Now, we don't want to use chemicals, and sometimes in these days and times you can't even find a lot of these cleansers on the shelf. So it's good to know how to make it. And you can order all these other items off of eBay or Amazon. Just go ahead and clean that floor now. Even get some spots if you got a good mop like I do. You can get up, look, got a little ketchup my son dropped on the floor. It works easy, so just glides right on, just like regular pine sol, y'all. So you can make this at home, natural. You won't hurt your animals. So thank you for watching, you guys. I'm gonna have more videos like this, more DIYs and natural products and stuff that's useful for you in your home and in your life. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos. I need people to just share them. I'm not getting a lot of views because YouTube changed the way that they, the search engine and the algorithms. So I need you guys to share it out so your family and other people can benefit from the information. Really appreciate you guys. So in the Powhatan language, to say goodbye, we say ana.